Hey there, we're here at Hacienda Neptune, our ground up custom build in Encinitas. And today I'm going to show you a little bit of an update on some of the key features and details that we're bringing to life in this new custom home. Here in the kitchen and great room space, we have a beautiful series of hipped roof systems and that cove arch detail going all the way around the entire room. We're going to have a really beautiful fireplace over here with some built-in cabinetry on each side. We're working on finalizing the details of the cabinetry, which will also bring in some of those other design language elements to mirror throughout the finishes. So one of the key features of this beautiful portico entryway is a series of multiple arches, which we're going to clad part of with a beautiful stone feature and then part of it with a Santa Barbara smooth stucco. This is one of my favorite details of the front facade, this beautiful Pinky's iron door. Last time we were here, we talked a bit about this beautiful gallery hallway. This arch series continues through the hallway and leads to another beautiful Pinky's door at the back deck. We've also incorporated a really beautiful ceiling cove detail that mimics some of that same architectural design language throughout some of the key spaces in the home. Here's the primary suite. Bringing some of these important features together for the client. Remember, this project is about aging in place comfortably, so we're accommodating that with the use of different features like backing in the walls for grab bars and a barrier-free shower system so that they can walk right into the shower without having any obstructions. We're putting in a built-in bench seat and a handheld shower in addition to the regular shower head so that as they age, if they want to sit down while they're bathing, they absolutely can do that. My team's currently working on putting in the HVAC system and running all of the ductwork. All of the electrical rough-in has been completed, and the windows and doors are all going in. Out here on the deck, I want to point out a couple of really important features that we've incorporated for the clients upon their request. These aren't items that were mandated by code, but they live in a proximity currently to an area that was devastated by a recent fire. So to protect the home more than is required, we've wrapped the entire exterior in a fire-rated sheathing. We've used a fire-rated eave, and fascia is going to be a stucco system that is going to provide additional protection. Beyond that, we've also incorporated these fire-rated and fire-resistive eave vents, and these will prevent embers from being able to get into the attic space. This area here is going to incorporate a beautiful built-in barbecue system, which we have an exhaust hood for, and creates a really lovely entertaining space. Let's check progress on the ADU. The ADU got its own Pinky's custom iron door. It's a beautiful feature. Completed all of the wiring in this space, and as you can see, these can lights are a different color. This different color is because between the two living spaces, the main dwelling and the ADU, you have to have fire-rated can lights and also fire-rated drywall. Bathrooms are coming along. We've framed in recessed niches in each of the different areas, one for the primary and one here. We utilized a soffit detail to create a trim on this room, but to also run some very essential ductwork wiring and venting for the space. Primary bathroom is coming along nicely. You can see here that we have a CMU wall, which, as we discussed last time, is because the lower level is built into the hillside, and then the upper level sits on top of that. This secondary wall system is pressure-treated wood, which is important because this wall is up against the earth and could potentially wick moisture into that material. So we leave an airspace behind that and utilize pressure-treated wood to prevent any sort of issues with moisture, as well as waterproofing the backside of the entire wall and providing drainage for that wall. Here we have the rest of the primary bathroom. We're doing a really unique floating shelf system with a beveled lower detail. This will create some nice storage and give the wall depth and dimension. Cabinetry details are coming along. We'll be excited to share those in our next status update. Thanks for joining us.